Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of VIP luxury travel. Today we are looking at the incredible Toyota Alphard 2026, the luxury MPV that has completely taken over Indonesia's elite lifestyle scene. Indonesia Crown. This is not just a family van. This is a rolling first-class lounge built for celebrities, businessmen, politicians and luxury lovers who demand comfort, prestige and technology in one powerful package. The moment you see the Toyota Alphard 2026, you immediately understand why it dominates the luxury MPV market across Asia. The massive front grille looks bold, futuristic and premium. The sharp LED headlights give it a commanding road presence, especially at night. Every line of this vehicle screams elegance, class and executive power. In Indonesia, the Alphard has become a symbol of success. From Jakarta's luxury districts to celebrity events and VIP hotels, this vehicle is everywhere. Rich families and high-profile individuals love the Alphard because it delivers unmatched comfort while maintaining a powerful luxury image. But the real magic begins when those automatic sliding doors open. Step inside and you are welcomed into a private luxury suite on wheels. The cabin feels more like a premium business class jet than a normal vehicle. Soft leather seats, ambient lighting, premium materials and advanced technology surround you from every angle. The captain seats in the second row are absolutely unbelievable. They recline almost like luxury airline seats and provide incredible legroom, comfort and relaxation. Whether you are traveling through busy Jakarta traffic or going on a long road trip, the Alphard transforms every journey into a VIP experience. Toyota has also packed the 2026 Alphard with advanced technology. The giant infotainment display, digital controls, premium sound system and smart connectivity features create a futuristic environment for passengers. Everything feels modern, elegant and incredibly refined. And despite being a luxury MPV, the Alphard still offers strong performance. The engine delivers smooth acceleration, quiet driving and excellent stability on highways. Toyota engineers focused heavily on comfort, so the suspension absorbs road imperfections beautifully, giving passengers an ultra-smooth ride. One of the biggest reasons the Alphard is exploding in popularity on YouTube and social media is its lifestyle image. Luxury creators across Indonesia are showcasing the Alphard in cinematic videos featuring VIP pickups, luxury hotels, airport arrivals and billionaire-style content. People are fascinated by the idea of traveling in complete comfort while looking powerful and successful. In many ways, the Toyota Alphard has become the Asian alternative to luxury SUVs like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan or the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Instead of focusing only on aggressive power, the Alphard focuses on elite comfort, privacy and executive class travel. The exterior design for 2026 is also more premium than ever before. Toyota refined the aerodynamic shape, added new chrome details, improved the lighting signature and gave the Alphard a more futuristic road presence. This vehicle now looks more expensive, more luxurious and more exclusive than many traditional SUVs. Another reason Indonesian audiences love the Alphard is because it perfectly fits the luxury culture of Asia. It offers privacy, comfort, space and elegance while still being practical for daily use. Whether you are a celebrity arriving at an event or a businessman heading to a meeting, the Alphard creates an image of prestige and authority. And let's be honest, the cinematic potential of this vehicle is insane. Imagine a black Toyota Alphard driving through Jakarta at night with city lights reflecting across the body while soft luxury music plays in the background. The automatic doors open slowly, revealing a glowing ambient interior with VIP seats and premium lighting. That is exactly the type of luxury content viewers cannot stop watching. Toyota clearly understands what modern luxury buyers want in 2026. People no longer want only speed and loud engines. They want comfort, technology, elegance and status. And the Alphard delivers all of it in one stunning package. So if you are searching for the ultimate luxury MPV for VIP travel, family comfort or executive lifestyle, the Toyota Alphard 2026 might just be the perfect vehicle. This is more than transportation. This is rolling luxury. This is executive class living. This is the Toyota Alphard 2026. Crown Fire.